What you're looking at right now, right there, that's my Aprium tree. It's an apricot plum hybrid, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorite trees. These little nuggets right here, they don't look like much, but they pack a serious punch of flavor. I've already devoured most of these, but there's a few remaining, so let's grab them and take them inside. This was my first year with this tree, and there were about 40 Apriums on there. I ended up thinning them down to about 25, and this is the last and final harvest of these juicy little nuggets. But before we get into the taste, let's just take a second to take it all in. This tree is a stunner. Saturated red branches and beautiful bright green leaves. Got two of the Apriums here, both have been refrigerated. This one a little ripe to the overripe side, definitely soft to the touch. This one a little maybe on the underripe side. So this thing will be probably a little bit different in the flavor profile than this one because the ripening time's a little different, but I'm excited to try them. So let's go ahead and cut into them. It's juicy, soft, beautiful. Really just almost like neon orange. It's so nice. It's a beautiful looking fruit. And we'll cut into this guy. See what we got. Maybe we'll start with the little underripe one. I, for whatever reason, thought this wouldn't be as good as it is. Like maybe the flavor didn't develop quite right or anything, but that is damn good. Holy cow. All right, let's do this one. That was like candy mush at this point, which might not sound great to some of you, mush, but wow, that is insane flavor. It like almost goes tropical. It like loses a little bit of the apricot, goes like into a, yeah, like almost like a tropical plum at this point. It's so crazy. It's like nothing I've really ever tasted before. I don't even know which I like better. They're both so good. You get a little bit more of the apricot in this one. And it's like, this is apricot, but it's like not, it's like tropical. It's very interesting. I love this taste. But fruit is subjective, and so I had to ask a couple other important people in my life what they thought.
Aprium taste tests 1. Slayed it. Whoa. I get like tropical vibes in a weird way. I don't know how tropical vibes would come up in something like this, but almost like maybe like papaya-y. It tastes like something you've never had before. Like I've never tasted something that tastes like this. But then it's like you have, because it's an apricot and a plum. So it's like, I think it kind of confuses your taste buds, but in the best possible way. This might be my new favorite fruit. It's so good. Hell yeah, bro.
It's like the apricot just goes away and tastes like a plum. It's very unusual. I don't know any other fruit that has that kind of an effect. Wonderful, delicious, and it's surprising and interesting and unusual.
Well, there you have it. I guess everybody's kind of confused, mystified, and delighted all at the same time. A really special fruit. It's so delicious. Can't wait to eat these for years to come. Damn, dude, that's so good. Doing a huge mouthful like that.